Hello, and welcome to the Nissan Doctor. Today is going to be a short video on how to remote start your Nissan. To start the vehicle remotely, make sure that all the doors, trunk and hood, are closed. Press the lock button on the key fob to lock the vehicle, then within 5 seconds, press and hold the engine start button on the key fob for at least 2 seconds. Your Nissan should start. To turn the engine off, press the start button on the key fob again. You can repeat this process a maximum of 2 times. If your Nissan does not start, go to the settings menu, then to the vehicle settings, and check that the remote engine start is on. Bonus: if your Nissan does not honk when you lock it, you may need to reset it with the remote control. Hold the lock and unlock buttons together on the remote control until it honks. Now try it again, and the horn should sound when you lock your Nissan. You can also, if you don't want the horn to sound when you lock it, for whatever reason, hold the lock and unlock buttons together on the remote control again, until the hazard lights flash. Now your Nissan will not honk when you lock it. If you still have questions, ask them in the comments, and we'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching.